We're doing differential service on this 21 Tahoe for a wheel grinding noise concern in the wheel of the vehicle. It is a common problem from 2021 to 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe and GMC Yukon with the limited slip differential. So the fix for a GM issue a bolt end to drain the fluid and put new fluid in it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. What we're gonna do is drain the fluid. That's the fill plug, that is the drain plug. The rule of thumb is always open your fill plug first in case it's frozen before you start draining the fluid. You can use a regular 3/8 ratchet for it. There it is. Some fluid might come out, okay? Have a container ready. A lot of shaving. There's a lot of metal shaving in there. So, yep. And now we're gonna start draining it using the same ratchet. That's the drain plug right there. There you go. Ooh. As you see here, the drain have a lot of shaving in there. Going to clean it. That's normal. That's just wear and tear. It's no big deal. And put it back in. There it is. This is good. Now we're gonna fill up the differential. That's the fill plug once again. We're gonna fill up the differential using the special pump here. I put the link in the comment section below for that pump. And we're going to fill it up using 75W85. It takes about 2 quarts, 2.5 quarts maybe. You pump the fluid in, it's pretty easy. When the fluid stops pouring out the fill plug, that's when you know the differential's full pretty much. There is the bottle that we use, the fluid. Okay, now move down. Start dripping. That's minute 4. Pretty much done here. everything up. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.